For me personally, I do have a lot of pride and enjoy helping people, learning about people and being able to provide comfort and be there when their world is falling apart. I'm Taylor Preston. I'm a paramedic at Fern Creek Fire Department. I think my favorite part of the job is when you show up to a scene and you're able to do interventions or provide medical care and actually see the patient improve. You know, maybe it's not every day a life or death situation, but to that person, it's very much the worst day of their life. So some of the things we do on a daily basis can be anything from helping someone off the floor that's fallen, all the way to cardiac arrest, someone that needs more advanced care. So on a typical day on the ambulance, usually I personally start at 7 a.m. So we come in, change out with the other crew. We will go through and check our ambulance, make sure we have all of our equipment, all the medications we need. And then we wait for our radio to go off and tell us where we're going. It's usually pretty steady. Louisville's, a large area. Typical schedule, if you're looking at being a paramedic or EMS, there are agencies that have 24-hour shifts. So you work 24 hours and then you have the next 2 days off. So it's a 24-48. You can also work a 12-hour shift, which is either 12 hours, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and then 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. And those kind of rotate. You can work on fire-based EMS system. You can also work in a just EMS system. There are some differences there. I love working at Fern Creek because you do get this sense of family, right? So you spend all this time with these people and you go through things and you see things and, have all these moments of things that other people can't relate to. So it is nice. We joke, we have fun, we prank each other. So there's definitely a sense of family. When I went through the JCTC Paramedic Program, it was about 2 years long. I really enjoyed it because it kind of kept you moving. So you would have one portion that was a classroom setting where you're, going through the book and getting that education, and then you would very quickly transition into the hands-on portion and connect everything together. So I thought that was very beneficial. It's, right here in Louisville, so it was very easy for me to get to. They make everything very easy to access. You have guidance counselors that are there to help you get you on the right path. It's also very affordable. They have a lot of scholarships that you can go through. If you want to do the paramedic field, I did Work Ready Scholarship, which is a great scholarship. There were multiple options for the day that you could go, so they're very flexible and understand that you might have a full-time job or work in EMS already. For me personally, I do have a lot of pride and enjoy helping people. It's something that's very rewarding.